If you are also frustrated that she moved on quickly, it's time to get your revenge. Yes, you can easily make any woman beg for your attention. We understand that it is difficult to see her dating another guy. It is a heartbreaking sight to see her in someone else's arms. However, as painful as this whole situation may be for you, the fact is that you can easily make her regret her decisions. You can make her beg for your attention. People might say that you need to move on, but they won't understand the pain that you are going through. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to get any woman on her knees, begging for your love. Number 7. Kill the weakness. Killing the weak mindset is very important. There are a lot of gurus on the internet who proclaim to give the best life advice. But the fact of the matter is that they are only providing generic advice. One of the few pieces of advice they give is to offer a hand of friendship. What does offering your friendship to your ex mean? It means you are still willing to talk to her, even though she has left you. It means that you still want to chase after her while she keeps you in the friend zone. While you are in the friend zone, she will not only date other men, but also ask you for favors. Seeing your ex in the arms of other men is already a heartbreaking sight, especially if you are single. But the worst thing will be that she might ask you for favors while you get nothing in return. The worst-case scenario is that she might even ask you to hook her up with one of your friends. So offering her your friendship is a weak mindset. You need to kill that idea while it is still floating in your head and hasn't set its roots deep into you. Number 6. Look at the good side. Take a look at the good side of your breakup. We understand that it is a painful procedure and can leave emotional scars. Imagine the things you can do now that you couldn't do previously. It is a very liberating thought. Previously, when you weren't allowed to game to your heart's content, you can do that now. You can go on that safari trip with your boys that you once ditched. The crucial point is that you need to enjoy your life. You must show her that just because you have broken up now doesn't mean your life has stopped functioning. You need to show her that previously, when you weren't allowed to do these things, you can do them now. Show her that you can party to your heart's content now that she has no command over you. Show her that you are living the life you always wanted. It will make her think that you are happy instead of being sad and angry at her leaving you. You are now a free man who can do whatever he wants. It will make her think that you are a man who can find happiness anywhere. Number 5. Be careful. When you're going through a breakup, it is a time of extreme vulnerability. When you are in a state of heightened emotion, you can commit actions you did not intend to take. Once you commit those actions, you are immediately left with regret. Not everyone is born with a strong will. Even high-value men have a problem controlling their hearts. But in those situations, they close their hearts and function based on their minds. So you need to do the same. You do not need to get drunk and message her when you feel lonely. If you message her when you are missing her deeply, it will make you say stuff that will make you look as if you are desperate. When she sees your desperation, she immediately thinks she has power over you. She will control every action you take. She will steal away your happiness. The worst thing is that you gave her that power by yourself. So if you want to make her beg for your attention, you need to be careful about your own words. Ensure you are involved or busy with something while alone at night to limit the opportunities when you message her in desperation. Number 4. Self-evaluation is important. Self-evaluation is critical when you are trying to get back at her. You must evaluate your worth first if you genuinely want her to beg for your attention and love. Do you think that she is worth your attention? Consider yourself in all aspects of your life. Are you a physically fit man? Are you a financially comfortable man? These are all things that you need to evaluate about yourself. If you see many good things in you and a few bad things, then it means you are a high-value man. You might be chasing after someone who isn't even at your level. Think of all the things you have done for her while she was in a relationship with you. If you feel that you haven't done enough, then it is understandable that she left you. In that situation, you must not feel bad at all. However, if you think you have sacrificed a lot and were a good partner towards her, then the story is different. In that case, you were with a low-value woman because she could not realize the good things you were doing for her. So learning that you are a high-value man is the first step in making her beg your attention. Number 3. No need for apologies. It is a problem for a lot of men nowadays. The first thing they do when they see that their woman will break up with them is to apologize. They apologize for every little mistake they make. Even if it is not their fault, they still apologize. All because they fear her leaving. You should not be afraid or feel threatened in a relationship. You should not apologize for things that aren't your fault. If she says she wants to break up with you, the first word that shouldn't come from your mouth is sorry. Because when you utter the word sorry, that word goes into her mind. It is then translated into the word desperation. It is an automated process, and every woman thinks this way. So do not say you are sorry for her breaking up with you, unless it was something you really shouldn't have done. If you haven't broken her trust by cheating with another woman or making another severe mistake, you shouldn't apologize. Keep your head held high. Don't be a doormat for her. Number 2, date others. You must date other people simply because you must keep up your reputation. When she sees you with other women, it will also break her heart. Just as it is heartbreaking for you to see her in the arms of another man, you can reverse the situation. Don't be fearful of women. Most guys become distrustful of women when they are going through a breakup. In their minds, women are fickle. However, you must understand that not every woman is like that. Therefore, instead of being scared of women, you need to go out and date others. Show her that her breaking up with you was not a bad thing. It was a good thing because you have now found the true love of your life. Make sure that she sees you with other women, because it will make her think that you are a high-value man. The best situation would be that you get into a relationship sooner than she does with someone else, because it will protect you from feeling hurtful when you see her in a relationship with her other man. Number 1, don't ask for reasons. The second most common mistake guys make after saying sorry or apologizing is that they start asking for reasons. Women don't need an actual reason to break up with you. If they feel that they want to break up with you, they could bring up any tiny mistake you have made and make a big deal out of it. So if you ask for a reason, they'll never give you an honest answer. At best, they would only say things like, "It's not about you, it's about me." Or they may say, "It's not the right time right now and I need some space." These are all things that do not have any real reason behind them. You will only lose your dignity if you ask for reasons. You must understand that if you want to be with someone, you only need one reason to stick with them. Even if there are 1,000 problems with your partner, you stick with them and help them through that process. On the other hand, she can even leave you for one tiny mistake despite having 1,000 good qualities in your personality. Conclusion. So if you want her to beg for your attention, you must change your personality. You need to stand out from the rest of the guys. Because if you are just like the other guys, begging for her tiny attention, you will never get her to beg for your attention. It's all about your mindset. You need to know that you are not just an average Joe. You are someone who has a lot of potential. Change yourself and the world will change for you. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.